Hello, entrepreneurs. We're still talking money management because if we're going to get to the next level, then we've got to get a hold of how we manage money. Would it surprise you to know that the way you handle your money is directly connected to your emotional well being and your mental well being? It's true. So when people talk about retail therapy is really a thing. Sometimes you can feel so out of sorts. You can feel out of control. And remember, we loved control. And so going and spending and buying something for you, spending some money, it lifts your spirits. It gives you a sense of control and excitement and power, even if it's short lived. Even if by the time you get home, you've got to figure out how to rob Peter to pay Paul, for those few moments and that time, you actually feel empowered, excited. You're around people that are buying, you're participating in the process. That's why it's so contagious during the holiday season. In that same mental state, in that same idea of the mental state and the emotional state, before you make a decision, start to figure out how you feel. Are you making the decision because you want to feel better, or will this decision put you in a better space? There's a difference. If financially you're going to pay for it later, then don't do it, because it's only a temporary fix, a temporary high. And if it's going to set you back, then it's really not worth it. When we talk about money management, we've got to start thinking about why. One word, why we do what we do, why we spend when we spend, what fuels our decisions so that we can make better money decisions. It's been your girl, the Queen Bee. Watch, like, subscribe. Bye-bye.